Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you what happened with Rachel. So if you go talk to her, yeah, this is normal, and if you edit Rachel quest, this shows up, and it's mega cool. You can choose which level you want. Oh, I'm broke. And oh, I forgot it. They have added, I just put this in, and they have added this, and they've added shoulder. If you type like here, they have added this for 0 diamonds, so you can get them all for free. So I guess today I will just show how I train. I will show some quests maybe in the next video. Okay, so why can't I? Oh no. Okay. I know I'm crazy, but this actually is funny to me. When you have yellow stars, you choose G110 and you just wanna make them blue in jumping arena and then pick them up. It's fun and it is training still. So, well, it's fun for me. And soon I will make my own group. Maybe. Maybe I will spend the diamonds on something else. So yeah. As you can see, I have most of blue stars. Oh. So I don't wanna pick up the blue stars. I wanna pick up only the yellow stars. So I will tell you when I have the blue stars. Okay, so I have almost all the blue. You can see I jumped over this, so there's none of blue stars. No, let's take it all. Okay, so I wanna. Okay, so I'm not picking this well up because I'm lazy. Lazy. I'm lazy, bro. Hey, boy. Big jump. Why? Oh, did you just stop that? Like, why? It's fun. Well, I sometimes just do something fun. Or just when my friends join, I go, I lay down with the horse or do the amount sleep and teleport to them. It's fun. I don't have any friends oh, on my server right now. So yeah, and I will tell you when I will have like when I will be about to finish all of my things. So okay, I'm about to get it now. Yay! I got level 20. Okay, so Pumpkin is fully trained, and now I will just train Spottie, which I need to. Okay, I need to. What is internet? I do have these, but will they fit? They fit. What about luck? Oh yeah, I have. Ooh. I have like these. They will be worse, and I will change this. Okay, I can really look stupid. I like it. Oh. So have a great night or day. Doesn't matter. And bye.